AVOP, this one right here, just as a quick disclosure, this company has added us to their press release. In exchange, you get free advertisements on Investors Hangout, which you can see right here. This basically, we give them that free for adding us to the PR. This isn't just for them. This is for all publicly traded companies. I just want to get that just out of the way. They're not paying us for it. We're not paying them for it. It's just a shake of hands and exchanging of basically how we do it. Okay. With that being said, we're going to take a look into this chart right now and the company as well. All right, there we go. So we got a little bit of a support level right now at 19 cents. A nice steady climb up in here. From that level, I'm seeing here, if we can pop that across there, a few gaps. But I'm watching this 10-day simple moving average because, in my personal opinion, that's where the support is going to really start leveling out, in my opinion. Okay, so off this this nice move here, coming off this bottom, the 0.4, really nice work up here, all the way up this climb. This climb here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, you got 7 consecutive days of a climb coming off that 0.7, 100% gain in a week. That's pretty good. The volume right now, 121,000 shares for a stock traded at 20 cents. It could be a little bit higher here in volume, but if you look on the 8th, 852,000 shares traded as well. Not too much of a movement, but this stock is moving on light volume. So with that being said, you guys are going to have a little bit of a gap here that I'm going to personally watch. Looks to be about a 1 cent gap. If we look at our close of 1450, that would probably be the exact point of that opening the gap. And then the following up on the close of that gap, we can put this one right here, and that open at 1550. So yes, that was exactly 1 cent gap right there in that area. Coming up at that 19 cent mark is where you're currently sitting at as far as the support goes. Looks like 21 cents is going to be followed up by that up here. I can get that level out there. There we go. So exactly at that 21 cent mark. All right, so that's going to go ahead and show you your spread here that we're going to be watching at that 19. That 19 is going to be a support level followed by that 1550, 1450 more than likely. You guys have that gap in there. Overall, a beautiful chart for the last 2 weeks. And again, this is one that we have not went over in these support and resistance levels. Played key roles back in 2016 as well.
All right, so they had a press release today. It's AVI Group subsidiary secures next commercial LED lighting contract. So AVI Group Incorporated is pleased to announce that the company has successfully landed a $20,000 purchase order for cutting-edge smart LED or smart LED fixtures for a 500-acre master plan community in Baja California. These custom lighting solutions designed with a state-of-the-art internal camera will serve to illuminate and protect the development's entrance. The solar LED series, slated for delivery in the next 60 days, is an intelligent lighting solution enhanced with the capability to provide street-wide wireless access for many different applications, having the ability to utilize all-in-one housing that incorporates a wireless mesh radio. This advanced setup enables remote access and monitoring of infrastructure and allows secure access for a number of practical and beneficial surveillance applications. The company further announced that as part of this contract, it is now the exclusive lighting provider for the entire development, which is approved for over 1,300 home sites, a marina, and a planned hotel with commercial space. So Lisa Lando, Director of Lighting, stated, as a green, self-contained beachfront community, our lighting proposal and technology is a perfect fit for this development. This allows solar capabilities along with the connectivity via smart grid and wireless access for all homeowners with remote access that keeps security costs to a minimum. Coupled with our competitive pricing, we were awarded the exclusive contract. This is a very significant agreement as it not only provides a sale with substantial ongoing lighting needs as they develop the property, but gives us a footprint into a large tourist destination area with similar developments and communities with similar needs. So that's so it says AVI Group is actively continuing to develop the ventures recently announced and intends to keep shareholders fully informed as projects unfold. And then they show all the different things, in regards to their Facebook page, Twitter, their board and investors hangout and everything else. And then it goes more back, the company itself. And that's that. So if you want to continue doing more due diligence on AVOP, just go right over to the AVOP board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, their filings, their financials, their buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have used in Investors Hangout daily by posting right over there on that AVI Group Incorporated board.
All right, and that's what you see here. Again, to follow up all the recent news, all you got to do is click on the headline. You can get it for AVOP and all other stocks really quick and easy. One of my favorites, time and sales. You can come over here and see each trade, the time and price and volume right here, completely free on Investors Hangout. Back on the chart. This is what we said for now. You guys are going to watch resistance at 21, support at 19 and 1450, gap at 1450 and 1550. Could fill here, in my opinion. Overall, the last 2 weeks, really nice here. Strong chart. We are going to mark that out, those gaps, because the volume has slowed down a little bit. Could fill that, but we will watch for that bounce off the 10-day. Like I said, for the overall here, pretty decent chart. AVOP, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it very much. And check us out live, investorshangout.com/live.